This is a 2010 Ford Edge. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a four-wheel independent suspension, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, dusk-sensing headlights, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and this vehicle has less than 34,000 miles. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Woltz & Wind Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2100 Washington Pike in Heidelberg.